Welcome to the Sound Beast AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate AI text files from speech in Sound Beast AI. Go to the left menu and click on AI text to speech. Here you can convert your voice into text files. Upload voice file from your local in which you want to generate text from your voice. Give an audio description if you want. Audio language. Task type. Click on transcribe and your voice will be converted into a text file. You can play the voice.
The ant and the dove.
You can edit the text in our text editor. Change the color of your text. You can export text files into your desired format. Thanks for watching the video.